Hello, today I will guide you on how to unzip files in Linux. Step 1. Create a directory and move into it. Open the terminal and create a new directory called zip. Use the mkdir command to create a new directory named zip. Use the cd command to navigate into the newly created directory. Step 2. Create sample files. Create 3 text files named 1.xt, 2.xt, and 3.xtt. Check if the files have been created using the ls command. Step 3. Compress files into a zip archive. Use the zip command to compress the 3 files into a single zip file named files. Now we have successfully compressed multiple files into a zip archive. Step 4. Extract zip file into the current directory. Use the unzip command to extract the zip file into the current directory. If the files already exist, Linux will ask whether you want to overwrite them. You can choose yes, overwrite the file. No, skip this file. All overwrite all files without asking again. Step 5. Extract zip file into a specific directory. Sometimes you may want to extract files to a different location. First, create a new directory called extracted files. Find the full path of the directory. Use the pwd command. If you created the extracted files folder inside this directory, extract the zip file into this directory using the -d option. Verify that the files are extracted. Step 6. Extract zip file in silent mode EQ option. Normally, Unzip prints messages for each file extracted. If you want to suppress these messages, use the -q option. Step 7. List zip file contents without extracting using the -l option. If you want to see what files are inside a zip archive without extracting them, use the "-l option. This command will show details like file names, sizes, and modification dates. The unzip command is a powerful and simple tool to handle zip files in Linux. You can customize the extraction process based on your needs.